Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today to show you how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox for free. You can get access to the admin commands panel using a working 99 Nights in the Forest code, and this entire process takes just a few minutes, and I'm going to be running through the steps and showing you exactly how to go ahead and get the admin commands. So before I show you how to do this, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do plan on making more tutorials for this game, and also I will keep the admin commands panel updated so you can go ahead and get the latest version and show you guys how to get this code. So before I show you, you just got to make sure you have your mobile phone, guys. Now I know you probably play 99 Nights in the Forest on your desktop, but you literally do this to grab the code and then redeem it in your game. So what you're going to want to do is open up the internet browser on your phone and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it like that, guys. Pretty easy to find, and this website is absolutely awesome. I've used this website for tons of different things. You can even get free diamonds as well. There's the admin commands code. But yeah, what you're going to want to do is just search for the 99 Nights in the Forest codes page. And this is the page you need to navigate your way to, guys. And yeah, like I just showed you, there is a admin commands code. So scroll down, and this is going to give you a code to get access to the admin commands panel. And this allows you to bring all items, get kill, aura, invincibility, skip days or nights, and more, guys. So this is literally going to allow you to dominate the game using a secret admin panel. Now, this code is pretty desirable and they are limited. So what this means, guys, is you will need to unlock and fully reveal your code. Now, to do that, you need to complete a quick verification. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this screen here that tells you how to unlock your 99 Nights in the Forest code. Long story short, guys, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below. And as you can see, this is a list of tasks here that are all completely free. You need to select 2 of the tasks, making sure you do read the text, guys, because that basically tells you what you need to do to complete the tasks. They're really easy things like installing and opening mobile applications, even answering surveys as well. Super easy, takes about 5 minutes. Once you do that, your 99 Nights in the Forest code will be fully unlocked and the full code will be revealed. You redeem it in your game, and that is going to give you access to the admin commands panel, guys. So that is it. That is how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest. Go to Cold Coupons. If you need any help, make sure you ask away in the comment section below. Also, you can drop me a PM if you want to do it in private. But it is super easy, guys. Just follow the instructions. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.